Stop trying to run your service business like a t-shirt shop. Most Shopify themes are built to handle physical boxes, and if you're using the same checkout rules for your services, you're practically giving your customers a reason to leave. Hey, I'm Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and today we're breaking down the 5 friction points specific to services that are killing your conversion rate and exactly how to fix them. The first issue is the add to cart disconnect. When someone wants to hire you, they want to book you, not put you in a shopping basket. If your checkout flow treats your expertise like a pair of socks, it devalues the service and creates instant mental friction. It feels impersonal, and that's where the hesitation starts. Then you have invisible availability. Nothing kills a sale faster than a customer wondering if you're even free next Tuesday. If they can't see your schedule before they pay, they're essentially flying blind. Most people won't pull the trigger on a payment unless they're 100% sure the timing works for them. Point number 3. There's no real-time commitment. In the service world, a confirmed time slot is your social proof. It shows you're an active, functioning business. When a checkout is just a payment gate with no calendar confirmation, it feels risky. Customers need that immediate, reserved feeling to feel like the transaction is real. The fourth point, its confusion after the thank you page, is another massive leak. If the next steps aren't automated and crystal clear, your customer will feel buyer's remorse immediately. For a service, the product starts the moment they pay. If they're left wondering when you'll reach out, you've already lost the trust you worked so hard to build. And finally, you're likely missing flexible payment options. Service work is usually a higher investment. Forcing a massive upfront payment for a high-ticket consult without a deposit option or a clear breakdown is a wall many customers won't climb. You need a system that handles the financial side as professionally as the work itself. It replaces that clunky retail flow with a professional appointment system that lives right inside your Shopify store. It syncs directly with your Google Calendar, so your availability is always live and your schedule is protected. It takes that add to cart confusion and turns it into a seamless, high-converting booking experience that actually respects your time and your customers' expectations. If you're tired of chasing leads through email chains and losing sales at the finish line, it's time to professionalize your checkout. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Booked to get started. It's built by service providers for service providers. We're constantly rolling out new features to help you scale. So if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're deep diving into Shopify optimization every week, and you don't want to miss the next one. I'm Evan with the Shop Ninjas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.